Hey everyone, it's Bethany from Madeline Jean Antiques and Restoration. There was Biscuit. You want to come up here? And who else is here with me?
Me.
Madeline, my daughter. And we thought we'd show you guys a really quick video of a super cool do-it-yourself little craft. What's this thing called?
A doodle bot.
It's called a doodle bot. Have you guys heard of these things? So Madeline had a Girl Scout meeting today and she came home with this cute little guy, and you're gonna tell us how it works.
Okay.
What do you do? Like, what is it made out of?
So it's pretty much like you can make it like this way. You can get a full like noodle of
So like a
this.
pool noodle,
A
the
pool-
things
yeah.
that you swim in.
Yeah.
Okay, all right, gotcha.
A huge one.
So that's what this is, and it was cut down?
Yeah, it's cut.
Okay. What's in the inside here? What's this?
An electric toothbrush.
Can you pull that out for us?
I don't think I can.
Okay.
It's stuck.
Well, it's an electric toothbrush. Can you see the bottom of it there?
Yeah.
All these supplies, her Girl Scout leader, her troop leader, got them from the dollar store, which is really cool. So she got a pool noodle, an electric toothbrush, some duct tape,
Yeah.
some fancy schmancy duct tape, just some markers,
Yep.
right? And the markers are put on upside down so the tips are against a piece of paper. And tonight, what did we add?
Googly eyes, different colored googly eyes, and a rainbow nose.
That's so awesome. So let's show them how this works.
Okay.
So you take your tops off, okay.
And we turn
You gotta turn it.
on,
The electric toothbrush,
and you put it on here,
okay.
and it starts to drop.
How cool is this?
And sometimes it may knock over when you're
That's
going
okay.
onto a new piece of paper.
So you can pick any color markers you want,
Yeah,
right?
but you have to stick with these colors since there's duct tape around
So
it.
you can make a couple of them, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you get like what the colors you want, because we just random pick these.
This is so neat. I know my camera isn't picking up the colors, but I will do a bird's eye view of what her little doodle bot is creating here in just a moment. This is really neat. So these were really easy to make, right?
Yeah, sorta.
Okay.
But like we had to put the batteries in the toothbrushes.
Okay. What a fun idea. So it's a really inexpensive way to create a craft and entertainment for your kids. And these are called doodle bots. Let's give them a close-up of what this little guy looks like. Isn't he cute? So cute. All right, we're gonna let our little doodle bot continue to create a masterpiece, right?
Yep.
And then we'll take a picture of it.
Okay.
All right, we'll let him dance, do his thing.
Okay.
All right, so we'll say, see you guys later. Hope you found this really short video informative of an easy craft to do. If you aren't following my channel, please do so, subscribe. I believe the button's off to the left over here. Have you guys done these doodle bots? They're lots of fun. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section. We're just gonna watch this guy.
Okay.
Do 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 do. Should have some music on.